Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cassie J, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my Ipsy box for April. I do get the Glam Bag Plus and Refreshments, so I will show you guys both of those. But first I will go ahead and show you guys my outfit of the day. So I have on this cropped tie-dye, it's just like a cropped hoodie that says blessed. Love it. Does have a hood on it. And then I just have on these denim shorts, and I got these, I did haul these in my City Trends haul, so that is where I got these. So I do have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I also have Refreshments for this month, and then they sent me like a little extra item. I'm not sure why they did that. I don't know if it's like an add-on or something like that, but I got that, and then I got some extras to go with my Refreshments. So I will be showing you guys all of that. So with all of that said, let's get started. So first up, I will show you guys the Glam Bag Plus for April. And this is the makeup bag. Really pretty powder blue with daisies on it. Open it up. So I don't see like an information card. I don't know if I misplaced it, but it did have this card. So this card does have like the theme on it, but it doesn't have any of the items on it. And this is actually my first time getting the Glam Bag Plus, so I don't know if there is like an information card that has like the items and the prices on there. But I will link everything that I talk about down in the description box. But this is the little card. And so April's theme, it says keep growing. It says April's Glam Bag is made with recycled fabric, which I'm pretty sure they all are, right? Or are they not? I'm pretty sure they're all made of recycled fabric. Comment down below if you guys know. But it says spring is here, and just like you, the earth has come alive. Take this month to plant big ideas, nourish your skin, and live a little greener because it's your season to bloom. And on the back it says green your routine refreshments. It says give extra love to Mother Earth and yourself with our personal care brand, the perfect addition to your glam bag, clean formulas, biodegradable face wipes, and partially recycled packaging, all with a commitment to creating a more sustainable future. Plus, new members receive their first month free. So I did tell you guys I did get a refreshment for this month, so I will show you guys that. So I thought this was pretty cute. On the inside of the card it says 3 ways to upcycle your glam bags. P.S. April's Glam Bag helps keep waste out of landfills. So it's only saying that it's April's Glam Bag, but it's really cute, and it's like an actual like fabric. So the first one says tidy your tech. No more searching for a charger at the bottom of your bag. Store cables, USB drives, batteries, and battery packs in your glam bag to keep your tech needs neatly within reach. And then the second one says a mini emergency prep. Pack your glam bag with small medical must-haves like a couple of bandages, Neosporin, an extra dose of medications, feminine hygiene products for when those minor emergencies hit. And then the last one says, pay it forward. Donate bags filled with unused grooming basics to homeless shelters or self-care essentials to women's centers and nonprofits. Tip, check with your local donation centers for up-to-date needs and guidelines. I like that one. That's actually a really good idea. So again, here is my makeup bag, and I'm just going to start pulling stuff out. Ooh, so this is the Kimchi Chic Set and Bake Powder, and it's called Puff Puff Pass, and it's in the shade PPP03 Translucent. And the packaging is so freaking cute. I've never owned anything from Kimchi before, but I love all the packaging on everything. And it's crazy because I've been really needing like new setting powders, and I got this one, and then I just got one in my Boxycharm too. So it says lock in your concealer and set foundation all day, lightly press on top of the skin, let set for 1 to 5 minutes, dust off excess powder for an all-day glam look. And this is cruelty-free, paraben-free, PEGs-free, phthalates-free, sulfate-free, synthetic fragrance-free, and it's vegan. So that is awesome. And then on the side here it says ingredient story. It says rice powder has long been used as a natural beauty aid for all skin types. Its natural anti-aging and oil-absorbing properties work wonders for oily or acne-prone skin. Rice powder is known to absorb excess oil, which creates a smooth, matte finish on your skin. So press it on and reap the benefits. Oh, it's so cute. It's like all wrapped up with a little sticker. And then on here it says, Kimchi says, set your makeup with this gorgeous fine powder to ensure all-day slayage even when you cry. My gosh, this is so cute. How it's all wrapped up. I don't even want to open it. And the little donut, it's got like a little bite taken out of it. It's so cute. Ugh, I don't want to rip it. I am all here for the aesthetic of this. This is so cute. Okay, success. Oh, I love the packaging. Anything pink is everything. I love it. There's the packaging. Very nice component. I love the top because it's that like matte, soft feeling. Ooh, it comes with a cute little puff. Ooh, that is nice. It is so thick and so soft. This is like the best poof I've ever seen. It's in purple there, and it says kimchi chic. And then, oh, the sifter is in the shape of a freaking heart. I'm dying. Do you see it? So cute. The powder that stuck to the tape is shaped like a freaking heart. I'm dying. Get off me. Oh yes, very silky smooth. I know you guys won't be able to see. I love. I can already tell I love. I'm obsessed. This is setting right on top of my vanity because it is so freaking cute. So next up we have, this is from Hip Dot, and this is the Liquid and Kohl Liner in the shade Muddy Brown. I've never had anything from Hip Dot before. This is animal test free. Oh, so it looks like it's dual ended. I like the packaging, very sleek. So on this side here we have, ooh, liquid. We have a liquid liner here. So it's definitely a brown. It doesn't seem to look like it's bleeding out or anything. And then this side here we have, ooh, it's retractable. Sorry, you can see swatches from earlier. Very creamy. So there's that from Hip Dot. Love. Next up we have, ooh, it's heavy. We've got something from Clean Skin Club. This is Vitamin C Brightening Booster in watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. Ooh. It says, use as a booster, mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum, and can be applied in the morning and evening, or you can use it as a serum. The super potent vitamin C brightening booster supercharges your cream or serum to firm and brighten the appearance of the skin, while naturally gives you a younger, regenerated look. Yes, please. The concentrated formula contains watermelon and green tea extracts, which help reduce sun damage, even out skin tone, and improve the appearance of aged and stressed skin. And this is also cruelty-free and vegan. Love to hear it. Ooh, that is so pretty. This is so heavy too. Like, this is a nice heavy glass bottle. I love the ombre up to like the midnight blue. And this is 1 fluid ounce. Dropper works. I can't find anything more annoying than getting like a product that uses a dropper and you can't pick the product up. It definitely looks thicker than I had expected. Ooh, definitely a serum. Ooh, that is so nice. It doesn't smell like fruit or anything. It just smells very clean. So I'm excited to try that out. Next up, we have Laura Geller Prep Stick. Ooh, lip scrub. Cute packaging. It says, your pout is going to look and feel fabulous. Apply the lip exfoliator in small circular motions to reveal your softest lips ever. Laura Geller. So it kind of looks just like her lipstick component. It's just all black with her name there. And then you open it up. Ooh. I could smell that as soon as I opened it. It smells absolutely delicious. But there's the color. It's like pink. Not that that matters because it's just a scrub. But it looks so smooth. I don't know how it would be a scrub. It looks so just smooth. Let's see. Oh yeah. You can definitely, you probably won't be able to see, but once you like put it on, yeah, you probably won't be able to see. But it's definitely, you can feel the grittiness in it. Oh, I can't get over the smell. I'm going to use this tonight. I'm so excited about that. And last but not least, we have, what is this? Ooh, we got Ciate London Bamboo Bronzer. This is also cruelty-free and vegan. Oh, I'm obsessed. You guys know I love bows. Anything with a bow on it, I'm completely obsessed. Let's open it. Ooh, it's got a mirror. And then look at the bronzer. It's so pretty. Oh, I don't even want to dip my brush in it because I'm afraid to ruin the stars. So a little swatch. I might even put a little bit on because I don't have any bronzer on today. We'll do it right here. Oh my God, that color is going to be perfect. So I'm going to try out the bronzer. There's like zero kickback at all. So buttery smooth. Oh yes. Oh yeah. So that was everything that was in Glam Bag Plus. So I will show you guys this extra little item that they sent me that I can't figure out why they sent it to me, but I'm not complaining. This is the Nina is the brand, and this is a Detox and Tighten clay mask with natural Canadian glacial oceanic clay. It says worry-free ingredients. There's like, that's it for the ingredients. Thoughtfully formulated for you and your skin, natural ingredients, 60 plus nourishing minerals. It's vegan friendly, gluten free, and sulfate and paraben free. Powered by Canadian glacial clay. This gentle purifying mask is made with high concentrations of natural Canadian glacial oceanic clay, rich in 60 plus nourishing minerals. It softens and firms the skin, tightens pores, and removes excess oils all at the same time, leaving your skin feeling fresh and rejuvenated. For all skin types, including dry and sensitive, use weekly as a full face mask or daily as a spot treatment. Very cool. So let's open her up. The bottle is very pretty. I love that sage green color. And this is 4.2 ounces. And I'm assuming it's probably just green. It's like a dark green. So very cool. You guys know I love my face masks, so I'll definitely be getting use out of that. And then for my refreshments, look how cute this box is. And then inside, I got this. This is the Dazzling 5-Blade Razor Kit. So the packaging on this is really pretty too. It's like washing it out, but it's like yellow. Oh, there we go. And this says, glide gracefully over curves and make way for smooth. 5 blades with a soothing strip for an extra close shave. Weighted handle elevates blades, preventing slime. Inverted storage designed to keep blades fresh and dry. And then you just open it up like this. And so it comes with the razor handle, 2 refills, which I have the one right here because I have it on the razor. And then this thing right here is really cool. First of all, let me show you the razor. So it's like this metallic pinky purple. It looks more purple on camera, but it's like a pinky purple. And then it's this neon yellow on the back, and it's really heavy and really weighted. And this little tiny thing right here, it's got the command strip on the back. So this you stick to the shower wall, and the razor magnetizes to it. So it'll just stick to your shower wall like that. And so like I said, I have used this and I love it, but it does have 5 blades in there. And then it's got the soothing strip around the edge. So I have used and recommend. And then they sent me this. I didn't cancel the refreshments. So what happens is, like, when you get your first refreshments like this, they'll continuously send you the refills until you cancel it. And I forgot to cancel it. Oh, I forgot. It also comes with this cute little bag, just like the Glam Bag Plus. So it's this little drawstring bag, except for this one is like a plastic material, and the other one was like a fabric. But this is still really cute, and I'll definitely still put it to use. It says, give extra love to Mother Nature and reuse me. That's what it says on the bottom. And then also in the box, it came with these little metallic stickers. So very cute. I'm sure those will get used on something. And then it came with this little card, and it says, welcome to your party for one. Get ready to jazz things up. It's your party, personalized personal care with serious flair. And so it just gives you like a little bit of information about the Refreshments program and all kinds of fun stuff like that. So anyways, so then they sent me another package, and inside here was this cute little bag, also metallic. Hey dude, you feel better?
Yes, my arms are sort of like sore now.
And so in here came 5 refills, but I've already used one. So those will last me for a bit. So that was that. And then, I don't know why, but they sent me a whole nother package, and it came with another one of these. And the whole same setup with the 2 refills and the magnetic thing. And then it also came with another set of those stickers. So yeah, I don't know why they sent me 2 of them, but I did end up giving that one to Acacia. I will have everything that I mentioned linked down in the description box below, so if you're interested in anything that I showed you today, you can find it there. So yeah, that was everything that I got from Ipsy this month. If you guys enjoy watching videos like this and unboxing or hauls or makeup or any of that kind of stuff, make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that I know you like it and I can make more. And if you are not subscribed to my channel already, I would love to have you. And with all of that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!